Welcome to TAPOSHI educational tutorial. Good morning children. Today I shall discuss about the number systems. Basically the number systems do in class 6 or 7 or 8 student. Introduction. In these chapters we will study about the number system and number line. We will also learn about the 4 fundamental operations on whole number and their properties. Okay student, in this lesson we learn natural number, even natural number, odd natural number, whole number, integer, prime number, face value, place value, line number system, and the fundamental operation like properties of addition and properties of subtraction, properties of the multiplication and properties of the division. So student, let's start one by one. We discuss in here. First we discuss natural number. What is natural number? Natural number, if we define the counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so many are called natural numbers. The set of natural numbers is given by capital N is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 ... so on. Now the even natural numbers symbolized by capital E. So here the even natural numbers definition: the collection of natural numbers divisible by 2. From the set of even natural number, it is given by capital E is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. An even natural number can be represented by 2 small n, where small n belongs to capital N. Okay. Now I am going to explain the odd natural numbers symbolized by capital O. The definition of the odd natural numbers: the collection of natural numbers not divisible by 2 from the set of odd natural numbers. It is given by capital O is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And an odd natural number can be represented by 2n small n minus 1, where n belongs to capital N, that means natural numbers. Now whole numbers symbolized by capital W. The definition of the whole numbers: all natural numbers together with 0 from the collection of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is given by capital W is equal to curly bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now what is integer? Symbolized by capital Z. Very important student. Integer, the collection of negatives of natural numbers, 0 or natural numbers from the set of integer. It is denoted by Z or capital I, capital Z or capital I. So we can write the capital Z is equal to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Before -3, the all minus like -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4 are included with the integer. These are the negative integer, and the +1, +2, +3 are the positive integer. So the set of positive integer is given by the Z, capital Z plus is equal to curl bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And the set of negative integer is given by Z minus, capital Z minus, is equal to curl bracket -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, so on. Right, student? Now, very important, another, the prime number. What is the definition of the prime number? Prime number in natural number greater than 1, which is divisible by only 1 and itself is known as prime number. The set of prime number is given by capital V is equal to curl bracket 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Natural numbers which are not prime numbers are known as composite number. For example, the 4 is composite of 2 into 2, 6, 2 into 3, and 8, 9, etc. The face value. What is face value? The face value or true value of a digit that any place in numeral is the value of the digit itself. For example, the face value of 5 in 659 is 5. Right, student? Now another is place value. Place value, the place value or the local value of a digit in a numeral is the product of the face value and the value of the place of the digit in the given numeral. Suppose example, the place value of 7 in 37,580 is 7,000, means 7,000. Right, student? I hope, student, you clearly understood and have enjoyed. So, student, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friend, and also don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you next time.